I'm about to show y'all why I'm a product genius. I only had this wig on for 3 days, maybe 4. And of course, we still secured. Still secured. But I need to throw another wig on right quick. But I really do be watching other people's videos on
I always have something in the archives. You be seeing my little that's the point about okay, come on, I be so embarrassed and shit.
the other wig right here. You probably could take it out so it could dry overnight. What's up?
We didn't hear that car because that look nice. Like, what the hell? We didn't hear that car because it's election. What's up? You look pretty.
Hey, you be a nice one, but that look nice like that.
It's Christmas.
You like it?
Yeah. Ah. What about right here? Oh.
Off day?
Yeah.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person.
Which one we doing today? I think we doing the snow globe.
The snow. And then tomorrow we're doing the rich.
Tomorrow?
Ooh. Yeah, this nice.
I got to put the finishing touches.
Okay,
I'm
bathroom.
looking for gold knobs.
Yeah, this look good. This look like a
The
the 7B skincare content go crazy in here.
I can't find the damn gold thing.
I love the sink.
You know the racks?
It's working.
It
No,
work?
but they got one in the same color.
Ah, that's crazy. Maybe I was hungry. I mean, but maybe not. Why does he feel smaller?
For real?
Yes. What nails we using today? The white ones?
The what?
White ones?
Yeah, the white nails. Mm-hmm. I'm saying earring wise. Oh Lord, look at this. Miss THEERICKAJ.
Look.
It connect to Bluetooth, right?
No, I don't know how to connect it.
It do it. It gotta do it. No way they made that thing without connecting. Just that fast.
What?
Got nails. Press-ons be like.
Huh?
Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Full body. This is what elevation looks like, guys.
Hello.
Bigger, bigger.
You ain't lying when you did the opposite.
Right. And originally this was supposed to just be extra space for more products. But we got a little content space. Just wrapped up another successful shoot day and I'm so excited. I always say that, but literally I'm so excited. We just get better and better and more different, more unique, more creative each time we do this. So welcome to Vlogmas. And hey, if you're watching this right now, subscribe to the channel, okay? Click subscribe, comment down below. Thank you. It's free. Mwah. Touch me. This is gonna get messy. I look crazy. Oh my God.